Welcome to our channel. Today we uncover 21 fascinating facts about Rolex that you probably didn't know. Rolex has a history as remarkable as the timepieces it creates. Whether you are a fond of watches or just curious about this iconic brand, stay tuned for the amazing facts about Rolex. Let's get started. Founding origins. Rolex was founded in 1905 by Hans Wilsdorf and Alfred Davis in London. The brand was initially named Wilsdorf and Davis. Swiss relocation. In 1919, the company moved its operation to Geneva, Switzerland to avoid high wartime taxes in the UK and to benefit from Switzerland's watchmaking expertise. First waterproof watch. In 1926, Rolex introduced the Oyster, the world's first waterproof wristwatch featuring a hermetically sealed case. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. In 1931, Rolex patented the first self-winding mechanism with a perpetual rotor, creating the Oyster Perpetual. Deep sea achievements. In 1960, the Rolex Deep Sea Special was attached to the Trieste submersible, which descended to the Mariana Trench, reaching depth of 10,916 meters without damage. First Datejust. Rolex launched the Datejust in 1965, the first wristwatch to automatically change the date on the dial. GMT Master. Introduced in 1954, the GMT Master was designed for Pan American World Airways pilots to display multiple time zones simultaneously. Explorer Collection. The Explorer and Explorer 2 models were created for adventurers and explorers, with the original Explorer celebrating the successful ascent of Mount Everest by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in 1953. Rolex Daytona. The iconic Rolex Daytona was introduced in 1963, designed for professional racing drivers, featuring a high-performance chronograph. Crown logo. The iconic Rolex Crown logo was introduced in 1925 and symbolizes prestige and excellence. Innovative materials. Rolex uses a proprietary blend of 904L stainless steel known as Oyster steel, which is more resistant to corrosion and more durable than standard steel. In-house gold production. Rolex is unique in the watchmaking world for producing its own gold alloys, ensuring consistent quality and color. Rolex Submariner. The Submariner, introduced in 1953, was the first watch to be water resistant to the depth of 100 meters, setting the standard for dive watches. Cosmograph Daytona's popularity. The Rolex Daytona gained immense popularity partially due to its association with actor and race car driver Paul Newman, whose personal Daytona sold for $17.8 million in 2017. Rolex Milgauss. Designed for scientists and engineers, the Milgauss can withstand magnetic field of up to 1000 Gauss, introduced in 1956. Meticulous testing. Every Rolex watch undergoes rigorous testing in extreme conditions to ensure durability and precision, including shock test and exposure to salt water. Rolex in space. Rolex watches have been worn by astronauts, including during the Apollo missions, though they were not the official timepieces. COSC certification. Every Rolex movement is certified by the Controllo Official Susi Desk chronometers for its precision and accuracy. Green seal. Since 2015, Rolex watches come with a green seal, indicating they have passed both COSC certification and Rolex owns stringent test with a precision of -2 + 2 seconds per day. Rolex and philanthropy. The Hans Wilsdorf Foundation, established by Rolex founder, owns the company and directs profits to charitable causes focusing on arts, culture, science and education. Rolex waiting list. Due to high demand and limited supply, some Rolex models such as the Daytona and Submariner have long waited lists, making them highly sought often appreciating in values. These facts showcase the remarkable history, innovation and prestige that Rolex has maintained throughout its existence. Thanks for watching.